In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Forms in a simple and efficient manner. Whether you're aiming to streamline your project management process or make it easier for team members to submit their requests, Asana Forms can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right into the process. Firstly, you'll need to go to the Asana website, which you can find at www.asana.com. Once you're there, look for the login button to access your dashboard. If you don't yet have an account, no worries. Simply click on Get Started or Try for Free to create your account and gain access to the platform. Once you're logged in and settled on your dashboard, we can get started with creating your form. To create a form, you will want to open a project in Asana. Choose a project where you prefer to have form submissions automatically create tasks. This is a great feature if you want to save time and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Next, you'll notice a Customize option in your project's toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. Within the customization options, you'll find a section called Forms. Simply click on Add Form to get started. Now let's talk about customizing your new form. Begin by giving your form an appropriate title and description. This is essential for clarity, so users understand what's needed. You can then add various fields such as short answer, multiple choice, or drop-down options, depending on the information you need to collect. Be sure to mark any fields as required if they are essential for your submissions. This step ensures you have all necessary information from the get-go, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Once you've meticulously crafted your form, it's time to think about sharing it. To get started, copy the form link. This link can then be shared with team members, clients, or anyone who needs to submit requests to you. It's a seamless way to collect information and can be shared via email, messages, or however your team communicates best. If you need to take it a step further, you can also embed the form directly into a website. This is particularly useful if you frequently need external parties to fill out your forms and want them to have easy access through your site. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively use Asana Forms to make task management a breeze. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in illustrating how accessible and beneficial Asana Forms can be for your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.